Water backing up when you run your washing machine into your kitchen sink drain is a total headache you do not want to deal with. Alright, so here's the deal. First off, make sure your kitchen sink drain and washing machine drain hose are hooked up right and not clogged. If the water is slow or backing up, grab a drain snake or a plunger and clear out any gunk hanging out in the pipes. Also, check if the drainage vent is blocked, because that vent lets air in to keep water flowing smoothly. Without it, you get backups. Another thing is to confirm that the washing machine hose is installed with a proper high loop or air gap so water does not flow back. Try running hot water down the sink while the washer drains to help push stuff through. If your pipes are old or too narrow, upgrading them might save you stress later. Keep an eye on what you throw down the drain too. No grease or big food chunks allowed. And if you ever smell something funky, that's a sign your vent or drain needs attention pronto. One of the biggest issues causing water backup when your washing machine dumps into the kitchen sink drain is a clogged pipe full of soap scum or food debris. Fixing this means getting that clog out with a snake or calling a plumber if it's stubborn. Another common problem is a blocked or missing vent pipe, which makes draining slow and causes water to back up. Cleaning or fixing the vent usually clears this right up. Lastly, incorrect hose setup without a high loop means dirty water can flow back into your washer or sink, so rerouting the hose to create that loop keeps everything flowing one way like it should. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with folks who actually need work done, making it easier to grow their business and build trust in their community.